Binenta mo ako kay Hero, no?
What? Hello, Yana. I can't hear you, Choppy.
Te, alam kong naririnig mo ako.
Why do you think it's me?
Ikaw lang naman yung mutual friend namin eh. Bakit mo binigay yung buong pangalan ko? I have rules.
Chill, girl. Ang taas, ha?
So ikaw nga, binigay mo yung pangalan ko? Samantha naman.
Sige na. Yes, I gave your name because he looks really interested to know you. And to be honest, I can feel that he likes you. At saka hindi kita ibebenta kung kani-kanino lang, no?
Hay nako, Sam.
Don't be mad na. Alam ko naman type mo rin si Hero. O ito na lang. In exchange, I'll give you all of his socials. Anyway, I need to go. I have Saturday class tomorrow. Ikaw, uwi ka pa ba ng Laguna?
Hindi ko pa nga alam eh.
O basta, ingat ka ha. Sige, bye!
Bye.